All right, time for the airfoils. This is a good one, of course. We're in good old Lancer Evolution. Let's go to airfoils. We're going to go to the props. Okay, so first a quick disclaimer. I'm kind of guessing at the airfoils or to get kind of like close to the foils on the actual MT prop on my airplane. If anyone in the comments wants to give me the exact airfoils actually used in the MT prop, I will happily accept that data to update this propeller foils to be even better. But the foils I chose here are not going to be far off from what the airplane actually has. So the first thing we see here is that there are 3 different foils allowed on the prop: the root, the mid, and the tip. Well, where does the root, mid, and tip apply exactly? Well, that's chosen over here. Inboard of 10% of the propeller span or radius, we are using the root. Outboard of 90%, we are using the tip foil, the 65006. And in between these two numbers, 20 and 80%, we're using the mid foil, the Clark Y. And then on the little in-between areas between 10 and 20 and 80 and 90% span, obviously we're interpolating. So we can choose 3 foils, and we choose to use the inboard foil, inboard of a certain amount, the outboard foil, outboard of a certain amount, the mid foil, and any range we want in between, and then interpolation between them as well. And so this lets us use up to 3 foils on the propeller blade with interpolation. The same, of course, applies to the wings, and well, yeah, you can just specify what foils you want. Oh, a little note: X-Plane is smart enough to say that if you have the same foil used for like the root and the mid, or the mid and the tip, or all 3, it's smart enough to not waste time doing interpolation between foils when it doesn't have to. Over here, you can have variable sweep wings, like on the F-14, variable dihedral, like on the F-4 Phantom, variable incidence, like you would have on a tilt wing, or retractable if the wing actually partially retracts an outer panel into an inner panel. I've never seen an actual airplane do that, but somebody asked me to try it in X-Plane, so I did. So that is the foils screen.